In this box I have about 1.5 kilograms of German reichspfennigs. So yeah, you can see it's a little bit above 1.5 kilograms, and yeah, it is a scale from the USSR, but that's beside the point. So in this video I just want to kind of go through them and see how much of a dateset I can actually collect. And there are actually 3 different types of coins in here. There is the 10 pfennig, there is the 5, I'm not sure if you can see, and there is the 1 pfennig coins as well. As you can see, I have put up all of the possible data and mint mark combinations on the right side, and I have put a little star next to the ones that are a little more rare. Most of the other ones, however, have mintages in like the tens or even hundreds of millions. There's just so many of these that have been minted. And yeah, so I guess let's just begin with the 1 reichspfennig. There isn't really any rare years for this one. The kind of rarest one is the 1945E. Yeah, let's just start and see what we get. And up first here we have a 1942A. And the 1941A. Then a 1943A. Okay, here's a new one, 1944A. Okay, and finally a different mint mark, a 1941J. Okay, and then we have a 1943D. Okay, and we have our first one with an E mint mark, and it is from 1942. Okay, so once again an E mint mark, and this time it is a 1941. Nice. Okay, and I don't know how this one has taken so long, but finally we got a 1940A. That is another one of the most common ones. Somehow it took this long, but we got it eventually, so that's fine. Okay, we got a J mint mark, and it is 1942, so that's another new one. Okay, and that is it for the 1 pfennig coins. We actually only got 10 different variations, and these all are duplicates. So now I guess let's see if we can do any better with the 5 pfennig coins. And I actually already have the 1941, 42 and 43 with the A mint marks, so if I find any of those I will just put those to the side as well without showing you. And immediately we have a 1940A. Okay, our first one with a different mint mark is a J from 1941. And another different mint mark, a B from 1941 as well. Okay, and another B mint mark, and this one is from 1940. Oh, and a 1941, it looks like E, so yeah, that is another new one. Oh, and here we have a J mint mark from 1940. Hundreds of miles away, I can see you and me like it was yesterday. I know it's not the same, but I'm still behind you every step of the way. Okay, so that wasn't really great at all, counting the 3 dates and mint marks that I already had, which that was definitely more of in all of these. There was only 9 different date and mint mark combinations in all of these, so Yeah, not great, but I guess let's just move on to the 10 Pfennig ones. I think I actually have the most of them, and hopefully there's a little more variety in those. Would also be nice to find one of the rare ones, but it hasn't happened yet. Okay, and from the 10 Pfennigs I also actually already have a few, but 3 of them are A mint marks, and the D mint mark is very common as well, so I don't really doubt that there will be some of them in here as well, but I have already marked them as found, so yeah, I won't be showing those. Yeah, I guess let's just see how many new ones I can find. Okay, and almost immediately we have a B mint mark from 1941. Okay, and here we have a 1940 A mint mark. And here we actually have a G mint mark, which is from 1941. And a D mint mark from 1940. And here we have a 1940 B mint mark, which is another new one. And here we have a 1940 with yet another different mint mark. This one is an F. And another new one, 1941 J. And another different one, a D mint mark from 1942. Okay, and here we have another 1941B, but this one is in actually really decent condition, unlike most of the other ones, and IRL I can even see a little bit of kind of toning on it, so this is kind of a cool find. Like this you can kind of see it like a little bit purple, a little bit blue, kind of just some light toning. So yeah, we'll keep this one and replace the other 1941B that I found. And with just a few more coins to go, we have another new one, a 1941 with an F mint mark. And the second to last coin is actually another new one, which is a 1942B, so that's nice as well. And the last one is probably another duplicate, yeah, it's a 1948. Okay, so the 10 Pfennigs was actually a little more successful than the other ones. I got 10 different ones, and if you count the 4 that I already had, that's actually 14 different ones in all of these. And while that is actually still a little bit underwhelming, I'm quite happy with it. Okay, and here are all of the different variations I was able to find. There's just 24 of them. I was honestly expecting quite a bit more, but it turns out that the common ones are really common, and then the other ones just don't come up really like at all. So yeah, in the end it is only 24, but I mean that's still alright. 24 new coins to add to the collection is nothing to scoff at. Unfortunately there wasn't actually anything there that we were able to find. The rarest one, if you can call it, that would be this 1942B 10 Pfennig coin, which has a mintage of 16 million. Yeah, it is still quite common, but all of the other ones have even higher mintages. But yeah, well, that will basically be it, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.